Okay, so what I'm going to do here is create a image gallery in WordPress. Right, well, I've just Googled nature because I'm just going to grab some images that I know will just be large enough to fit on here. Now what you want to try and do is, when you obviously you'll want to not do this on a professional project for a client that's going on the internet, because some of these images are copyrighted, so you won't be able to use them. But for the sake of this, just use Google Images because there's loads of them on there. It's quite easy to get them, but just be careful of that in future. Okay, so this, for example, is a nice image. I can see that it's 1920 wide, so it's 1920 pixels wide, so that's more than enough for my website, and it's going to be massive, but I'll drag it over anyway. I wanted to get, that one's 250, it's way too small. So you want to get nice big images, right? 1500 is good. So anything probably above 1000 is going to do okay. And I'll show you why in a minute. That one there's 3840, that's ginormous. What you might want to do in these sorts of cases is put that into Photoshop or some image editor and reduce the size of it. Otherwise it'll take 20 years for your page to download. Anyway, let's just add a gallery in here. So I'm going to do a new block. I'm going to add gallery. I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to upload 3 images, which were those 3. There's 3 in there. Now it's that 3000 pixel wide image. It's probably taking its time to go up there. You can see that one's got a caption on it. Let me just edit it a minute. Get rid of that. Don't want a caption. I can upload more images. Actually, what I just want to do is press update and just put that in there, and let's have a look at it. So you can see that it puts the page, it puts the images like so, and it actually splits them up into a tiled gallery on different screen sizes. So that's really handy. Let's just add a few more to this gallery. I want to just add to gallery, go back into my media library, and I had these 3. Which I'm going to add to gallery as well. So now I've got 6. I press update there. Come back to here. You see now I've got 6. Moon of China is still back on, so I need to try and sort that out. Hopefully it'll go away now and not come back. Okay, good. So you can get the general idea here. We can, that'll be, yeah, like it'll work well on mobile, and it'll do all the magic to do with making it wide on desktop. Just make sure that the images are wide enough to fit in. So obviously, for example, if you wanted to use this on a smaller breakpoint, let's say it goes down to like 1 wide or something, you've just got a couple of images in the gallery and it's not wide enough to fill the screen, then it'll be too small and you'll get a big white margin on the right hand side. So just be careful of that. But essentially that's quite an easy way to create a gallery in WordPress. It does all the kind of CSS for you, but essentially what you've got to do is go in and find nice images which are wide enough and good enough quality. Ideally take them into Photoshop, make them smaller sizes so the page loads quicker, and then put them up. All right, so that's how you create a gallery in WordPress.